Welcome back to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash. This is an unsponsored video. Interactive Brokers, an in-depth look. What is Interactive Brokers? Interactive Brokers, or IBKR, is a prominent brokerage firm established in 1978. Known for its extensive trading platform, IBKR serves individual investors, institutions, and professional traders. It offers access to a vast array of global markets and financial instruments, including stocks, options, futures, forex, bonds, and mutual funds. Services and features: global market access. Interactive Brokers provides access to 150 market centers in 34 countries, enabling traders to diversify their investments across various assets and currencies. This broad market reach is ideal for those seeking global exposure. Advanced trading platforms. IBKR's Trader Workstation, or TWS, offers advanced tools such as sophisticated order types, options analytics, and risk management features. For less experienced traders, simpler platforms like IBKR Desktop and IBKR Global Trader are available. Competitive pricing. Interactive Brokers is renowned for its low commission rates, which are particularly appealing to high-volume traders. Additionally, the IBKR Lite plan offers commission-free trading for casual investors. Educational resources. IBKR offers a variety of educational resources, including webinars, articles, and a demo account with virtual funds, helping clients enhance their trading skills and knowledge. Trustworthiness and legitimacy. Regulation and security. Interactive Brokers is regulated by top-tier financial authorities, including the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, and the Financial Industry Regulatory Authority, also known as FINRA. The company implements stringent security measures to safeguard clients' funds and personal data. Reputation. With over 4 decades of experience, Interactive Brokers has built a strong reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. The firm consistently receives high ratings for its extensive market access, competitive pricing, and advanced trading tools. Potential drawbacks. Complexity for beginners. The advanced features and tools offered by IBKR can be overwhelming for novice traders, necessitating a steep learning curve. Funding and withdrawal limitations. Deposits and withdrawals are mainly restricted to bank transfers, which can be limiting compared to other brokers that accept a wider range of payment methods. There are also fees for multiple withdrawals within a month. Conclusion: Interactive Brokers is a reputable and trustworthy brokerage firm, ideal for professional traders and institutional investors. Due to its broad market access, competitive pricing, and advanced tools, While it may be challenging for beginners, the firm's educational resources and user-friendly platforms help ease the learning process. Overall, IBKR is a robust option for those looking to trade globally across a diverse range of financial instruments. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Otherwise, we will post videos of Kevin dancing to Saturday Night Live. Some things can't be unseen.